In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your control bar and how to change your icon skin in AJ AutoClick, the best auto clicker application. Now to do, you just click on this customization here to customize your control bar. Here you can see target size. This target size is this target icon here. In order to change their size, you see it, select any size you like to put it, and then in control bar size is where you can change the control bar size either to small, to medium, or to large. You see it, you see it. Now in order to premium set it, click on this premium settings here, click on it. Here you can see size. Here is where you can increase the size of the target. Here the target icon, you see it. And here in transparency is where you can change their transparency, like their optical view, like this. You can see it, select anyone you like, anyhow you want it to be. Now here on dark mode is where you can make it dark. Here on dark mode is where you can set it on dark mode. Here see it, it darken the inner color of the target icon. You see it. Now you can remove it by clicking this toggle again, like this, and see it, you set it to light mode by removing it. Now here in control bar is where you can set the control bar size, like this. You see it, you see it, like this. Now here in transparency is also where you can make it like the optical view you want it to be in, like this. You see it, set it how you like it, like this. You see it. Now here in dark mode is where you can make it dark. Here you see it, you make it dark. See, now you can remove it by clicking on it again. Now after setting everything, just click on this apply to apply it. You can watch ad if you have not subscribed to the premium version in order to unlock it, or you can unlock it directly and pay for the premium version by clicking on this unlock now. Now click on this watch an ad. Now wait for this to process.
Bet you've never seen a gaming controller like this that has a fully interactive.
Now after watching ad, click on this cancel icon to remove it. Now as you can see, it have successfully applied. You see it. Now to change your icon skin, go back by clicking on this back facing arrow here. Now click on this icon skin here. Now select any icon skin. Now after selecting anyone, what you do now is just go back by clicking on this back arrow here. You have changed the icon skin. Now to know if the icon skin is changed, just click on this start icon here. Select anyone you want to use, any feature you want to use here. Now click on start. You can see it. Now let's know if the icon skin is changed. You see the icon skin, you see it. Now you see the target icon have changed. You see it here, you see it. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And also, if you have seen this channel for the first time, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial, and because you will love this channel. Watch this video on the screen in order to know how to use AJ AutoClick. And also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. All the link is in the description section. See you on the next video. Peace.